Hey guys, how's it going? Working on the Fiat still, like I will for probably the next month or two. But got everything moved where I want it, so I have plenty of room for everything, the exhaust, the intake. So yeah, it's good to go. The motor fits quite nice. I've got my cross member all built up and painted, welded. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be working on cutting up some metal, patching everything back up, just making it look pretty. And then hopefully this week or next week, I'm gonna start painting everything black, just get it looking good. Yeah, good times, man, good times. All right, guys, so I got a bunch of cardboard cutout pieces and whatnot to sort of patch up everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna mark everything out with this marker and get everything cut out. Just get going on it, you know? Should be pretty good. Oh, I'm excited though. Should go pretty quick overall. So we'll see how this goes. Oh hey, it's painted. Sweet. Anyway, so I got pretty busy with it. I just sort of went after it and got a lot of it done. All the frame rails and all that stuff spoxed in and just threw some paint on it, just to try and get it done as quickly as possible. So I didn't film a whole lot of it, and I do apologize about that, but it's getting pretty close. The motor's actually gonna be going in today, and hopefully for the last time. We will see what happens. I've got 2 holes to drill, and then it's completely mounted and everything, but yeah, everything should be good to go, should be ready. So hopefully it'll all go well. But like I said, first I got to drill a couple holes for the subframe that I built, and then I can put the motor in, and yeah, motor in, put in the reservoir for the coolant, and just sort of get everything figured out plumbing wise, and it won't be too bad. Hey. Yeah. And all I have to do in order to get it so I can actually run the car is I need to get a few things. One, fuel pump. I'm gonna get a Walbro 455. That way, once I go for a boosted application, once I get the money and the time to do that, I won't run out of fuel. And injectors, I'll still have to get injectors, but we won't worry about that right now. And then I also have to get a K2 immobilizer for the system, because I'm not gonna be able to get a Honda ECU yet. That will be coming, but it's gonna be a little bit. And then I have to get fuel pressure regulator, all my fuel lines and everything. And then I can start messing with, well, my shift linkage and all that, which is getting pretty close. So yeah, I think today we're just gonna sort of hop in, jump right into the work and get cranking on it. So heck yeah. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and toss the motor in there and get to work.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. What, you mean like live together?
When you told me your mom was going to cut you off, I had to do something. We can stay here for the rest of the year.
Alright guys, so got the motor set in there, so I'm just going to start trying to get a few bolts lined up top, then we can go underneath and get the subframe mounted up, which this is what she looks like. Pretty clean, not bad. And I've got 3 bolts up front that I got to go in, and then 2 in the back, 2 up front. So we'll just work on getting it placed in where she wants to be. These ones shouldn't be too bad.
Hardness complicated.
Yeah, I know, but he's different around me.
Just be careful.
Alright guys, she is in. Right on. So now what I gotta do is, one, move that out of the way, and two, hop on the creeper and get a couple bolts. And I can put this guy in so I can locate and drill those two back bolts. So we will get started on that, I guess.
Was going to cut you off. I had to do something. We can stay here for the rest of the year.
Alrighty guys, so got a little ahead of myself, not gonna lie, and it's in like all the way actually. I just gotta put in my lower control arms, but that's mounted in place, all the bolts are in. Got that bolted up, so you can see it goes across the bottom, and then there's a mount up front, gives it plenty of support. Whew. Yeah, it's perfect placement. Oh man, it's good. Pretty tight clearances, but everything clears super quick. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this thing. It's coming along. Might throw the intake on just for some kicks, just to get a little motivation and give her a look. Alright guys, so I'm done for the week. Monday we'll start getting it put back on its wheels and just sort of get everything set in place. I gotta make a little extension for the throttle body just so I've got some room. Gonna have to bring it out into this area, something like that. We'll figure it out. But yeah, it's looking good. Exhaust manifold fits. Intake fits beautifully. Looking pretty freaking sweet. I'm excited for it. Right on. Well, I'll get back to you guys next week. Just remember, keep wrenching.
Arden is